wacho nyaka ita police kwa
This party, this ODM party, its ideals, the things that it stands for, we will negotiate with the UDA party, not just about positions, but also about the issues that ODM has stood for over the years, including inclusion. And that is why we cannot be in the same place as Gachagua.
This country, there are areas and regions which have never felt like they belong to this country. And therefore, any leader, when he wakes up, he talks tribal. Going to sleep, he's tribal. That is not a leader we can associate with. That is not a leader we can work with. You cannot be a leader who keeps on saying that you want to be president because your community has 7 million votes.
Gachagua, we are telling you today, you have no votes in Mount Kenya to stop President William Ruto's re-election. Gachagua, I'm telling you today that President Ruto is going to be re-elected with the support of the ODM party with over 280 MPs across the country.